Dreamroad Group of companies has been in the business of cosmetics for the past 2 decades, very successfully conducting business not just in Sri Lanka but covering the rest of the world as well. Competing in an industry that is typically dominated by the multinationals, Dreamroad has been able to make headway, challenging all the players in the market with over 400 products and SKUs under 3 different brands, namely Dreamroad, Yvonne, and Aurica. Aurica, in fact, is the latest addition to the product portfolio, which is a dedicated skincare range. And we are confident that with these 3 brands, we'll be able to take the performance of the business to a much higher level over the next couple of years' time. The group has 2 state-of-the-art plants, and one is a BOI-approved company that caters to over 30 countries across the entire world, including some European markets as well. The other plant is dedicated to doing manufacturing for the local market, and in addition to that, we do contract manufacturing for several multinationals for the local market. And apart from that, the same plant also does manufacturing for several multinational brands for the overseas customers. Obviously, in addition to that, we also do contract manufacturing for several mega local brands, and there are a few new business opportunities in the pipeline as well. And all these new businesses will certainly help Dreamroad to be able to progress in the right direction, not just for the benefit of the group, but to benefit all Sri Lankans alike. The 2 plants and the manufacturing process is approved by independent quality agencies globally and also locally. We primarily use Japanese technology, but having said that, I must also say that we are meeting the other global quality demands as well. The reason why we're being able to supply products to over 30 countries, including Europe, is because we are meeting all these global standards. And with this, surely we are able to offer the right value to local customers as well as to the global customers who demand the best from manufacturers and marketers in the field of cosmetics. As a local entity, our vision as an organization is very much aligned with the country's vision, where the country is on a new set of strategies to drive the country's economy to be independent from an economic perspective. So obviously that can only be achieved through local manufacturing and by exporting products to the rest of the world. Therefore, our business model and strategy is something that really helps the country. If we are to help all Sri Lankans, and in terms of number, we are speaking about 22 million population in the country, and they certainly deserve a much better life. We are committed as an organization in order to create a better future for all Sri Lankans, and that's why we believe that we have the best business model which creates economic value for the country, and finally it's the people of our country who would benefit out of our success. So as an organization, I invite everyone to join hands with this great institution so that together we'll be able to create a better Sri Lanka for everyone's benefit. While we are in the business of cosmetic manufacturing and marketing, we do have an entity that is mainly to be able to honor the social commitment, and it's a beauty college that produces over 1,000 diploma holders and students with other qualifications that are well recognized and demanded by the job market, not just in Sri Lanka but in the other markets in the other countries as well. So we are very, very confident of the value creation for the country, and in that, without limiting ourselves to manufacturing and marketing products, we enlighten the lives of the younger generation of Sri Lanka, so that they will be able to achieve their purpose of living while achieving their vision. Please join us to make Sri Lanka win.
Dream Ron. Live beauty.